Good morning. I'm out here getting a couple orders ready to be shipped today, and I wanted to jump on here quickly and explain to some of you. I've had a couple questions of how to keep your air dry top coat and your base coat from the lid sticking. So I wanted to give you a trick today, a little tip to solve that problem. With your liquid on this one right here, you'll see that if you have the white buildup of the product on the outside of the nail polish bottle, the first thing you want to do is to get some acetone on a cotton ball and wipe the lid with acetone until you kind of get most of that off, if not all of it preferably. Get all that off, and then your bottle will look like this. It'll be clear all the way around. The next thing you do is you can either use Vaseline, or if you get the Pro Kit, you'll get the cuticle oil in there with it. So Vaseline will last longer, and cuticle oil is like a quick fix if you're in a hurry and don't have time to go grab the Vaseline. So you'll take the Vaseline, you'll take just a little bit of it, take the lid out, turn it over, and to set it down, it'll set up. Even with your clean bottles, it'd be good to do it if you do it right when you get your kit. But just wipe off that liquid on the outside of that bottle. You'll take your Vaseline and just rub it on the outside of the bottle. So when you screw it on, it's gonna help it slide and help it not stick. Like I said, if you get the Pro Kit, you'll get my cuticle oil. If you're in the middle of the set and you get some on the side or something like that, you can grab the cuticle oil and just slap it on there real quick, knowing that it's not going to stick and you'll be able to get it off every time. So that's just a little trick or tip that I do. So if you are having a little issues with that, there's your solution. You guys have a good day. Thank you.